Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I am going to show you how you can make a auto cut off battery charger. This charger can cut off anything. If you want, it can cut your penis too. So let's get started.
But it's not okay, whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah.
So guys, here you can see the list of the components which I used in this project, or you can check out the description. Now let's fit all the components on this Vero board.
Oh yeah, can still see your face, so tell me what to do, cause I can't find a way. Baby, please just tell me if I'm fine. Tell me if I'm baby, please just tell me if I'm fine.
Just tell me if I'm fine.
Now let's solder them on this board. So guys, I have soldered all the components on this board. Now let's connect them all, and the link of the schematic is in the description, so you can download it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, here you can see this board is fully made, and now we can use it as our 12-volt battery auto cut off charger. And as you can see, I have connected all the components together. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.